Changhua County is a pleasant place full of historical culture and human customs. As a part of Changhua County, Taiwan Changhua Prosecutors Office handles criminal cases within its jurisdiction. If you are a plaintiff, after entering the prosecutor's office, please go to the left-hand side. There, you can see the bailiff office. Tell the bailiff that you want to take legal actions against someone and fill the form to declare it. When you receive a summons, please appear in the prosecutor's office according to the time described in the summons. If you are not a native speaker of Mandarin, we will arrange an interpreter for you. Therefore, you can make your statement in your own language when interrogated. Be sure to take the summons and any document to identify your identity when you register at the counter. You may also utilize the system in the front of the bailiff office to scan the QR code printed on the summons to check in. The bailiff will instruct you to go to the investigation room. For safety consideration, before you entering the investigation room, you are required to go through the metal detector. This is where the bailiff may stop you and examine the contents of your purse or bag if needed. If your case is yet to be in session, please wait patiently for your case to be called outside the investigation room. Also, please check the case number displayed on the screen outside the investigation room. Make sure you head to the right investigation room. Under the principle renowned as non-disclosure of investigations, the investigation proceedings may not be made public or otherwise disclosed to any person who is not within the scope. There is no video or audio recording devices allowed, and no photography in the investigation room. The interpreter arranged for you will interpret for you throughout the whole proceedings. The entire proceedings of investigation will be audibly and visually recorded. If you are a plaintiff, make your statement clearly. If you are a defendant, the prosecutor will inform your rights. 1. You will be interrogated for being suspected of committing an offense of fraud. 2. While being questioned, you have the right to remain silent. You don't have to make any statement against your will. 3. You have the right to retain a defense attorney. Also, you have the right to request an investigation of evidence favorable to you. Additionally, if you are indigenous inhabitant or the one with the proof of low income or low and middle income, you have the right to apply for a defense attorney of the Legal Aid Foundation. If you are a witness, you may be required to sign an oath before or after delivering your testimony, without any hidden, polished, added, or reduced contents. Should there be any false statement, the witness have to accept the penalty. When the investigation has concluded, the result is proclaimed on the website and posted on the bulletin board outside the prosecutor's office as well. You will also receive an official letter telling you the result of the case. In addition to prosecution, prosecutors protect the interests of the general public by collaborating with lawyers, psychologists, social workers, and volunteers. The aim is to assist and support the victims of crime. The probation officers implement the enforcement of probation that the offender who is on probation to be placed under protective measures as well. Furthermore, the employees in the Rehabilitation Protection Association endeavor to protect the prisoners discharged from prisons, to help them self-sustaining, to reintegrate them back into the community, and to prevent them from committing crimes again. Taiwan Changhua District Prosecutor's Office.